Hi, I'm Dana Chestnut, and welcome to Insurance Made Simple. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and my goal is to help you understand insurance in plain English without any pressure or sales tactics or complicated language. In this video today, I'm going to walk you through the declaration page and what that is. So, moving to this page, the auto insurance declaration page is a summary of the coverage you have on your insurance policy. When you bind coverage for insurance and start your insurance, you receive a policy that's probably that thick with everything in it explaining the legal language. When someone says, I need your declaration page or I would need a copy of it, you would go to that policy and flip through the pages and find that declaration page. It's usually in the beginning, the first few pages. So here on the deck page, we call it a deck page, you will see at the top the insurance company, their name, their address, and the phone number where they can be reached if you need to call them directly. Below that is the named insured, the person who has the policy. You'll see their address and the city and state they're in. You want to make sure that this is correct. Their name is spelled out correctly because should you have a claim and it's filed and your name is not written correctly, you could have issues moving forward with the claim. Below that is the policy information. You will have the policy number, policy term, which is in this example, this declaration page is an example. You will have, this is for a year long. Some insurance companies have their policy terms for 6 months, or some may have theirs for 1 month. It all depends on who you're with and who you decide to go with, because each company has their own guidelines. You will see, moving on, the vehicles listed. So make sure you have the year, make, model, and VIN number. Also, I want to point out here, make sure when you have your insurance that you have all of your vehicles listed on the policy, because if it's not listed on this declaration page, the policy, and you have a loss where you need to file a claim, it will not be covered. So I want to stress that completely. Below this are the required coverages. You have the liability coverage, then you have the uninsured motorist bodily injury and property damage coverage. I put this, as you'll see, it's required in some states, and then some states you can reject that, but mainly I recommend always having that either way. But you don't have to have it. And then you have medical payments. So you're required to have medical payments on your policy as well. Then you have optional coverages. Optional coverages are here. You have the comprehensive and collision, the rental, roadside assistance, personal injury protection, gap coverage. You have accident forgiveness, new car replacement, custom equipment coverage, and rideshare coverage. Below that is your premium summary. You can choose to pay in full, make monthly payments, installments, and for example, you would see that this is a paid in full or the monthly installments. Usually, insurance companies have if you pay in full, it's a discount, and then if you pay monthly, it does cost more, depending on the insurance company. So then you have the endorsements below that and your agent's contact information. Let's see. And that is about it on that. I want to thank you for watching the video, and please let me know if there is something you would like me to explain more in detail. Have a great day.